Today we know about rolling mill dividing shear. In a rolling mill, dividing shears play a critical role in cutting or dividing long roll product such as bars, rods or strips into desired length or segments. They are typically located at various points along the production line depending on the type of mill and the specific process requirements. Here is how a dividing shear generally works. Basic purpose. Dividing shears are used to cut long continuous roll product into shorter manageable lengths or customer lengths. These lengths may be used for further processing like cooling, straightening or stacking or sent directly to the finishing area. Operating principle. The dividing shear consists of a cutting mechanism that operates in synchronization with the rolling mill speed. The cutting mechanism is typically a set of rotating or oscillating blades that makes precise cut as the product moves through the mill. Key component: upper and lower blades. These blades shear the material by creating a high pressure zone at the cutting point. Drive system. The blades are driven by a motor or hydraulic system that ensures smooth and rapid operation. Guides and rollers. These ensure the material is correctly aligned before cutting. Control system. Modern dividing shears are used automated controls for precise synchronization with the rolling speed and cutting length. Types of dividing shears: rotary shears, flying shears, static shears. In rotary shears, blades rotate continuously and cut the metal as it passes through, suitable for high-speed rolling mills. In flying shear, the blades assembly moves along with the product temporarily during the cutting process, allowing precise cuts without stopping the product flow. Common in long product mills where stopping is impractical. Static shear. The material is stopped or slow down for cutting, typically used for lower speed operations, for example like cold shears. Working process. Detection. Sensors means HMD measures the length of the rolled product to determine the cut location. Positioning. Guides align the material for the shear. Cutting. The blades engage to shear the material at preset position and then discharge. The cut metal is transferred to cooling beds, conveyor or stacking systems. Advantages of dividing shear. Precision. Allow accurate length cutting even at high rolling speeds. Efficiency. Minimize downtime by enabling continuous operation. Versatility. Can handle a wide range of materials, sizes and shapes. Applications. In hot rolling mills, cutting hot bars, rods and plates. In cold rolling mills, shearing thin strips or coiled product. In wire rod mills, dividing wire rods into coil lengths by ensuring precise and efficient cutting. Dividing shears contribute significantly to the productivity and quality of the rolling mill operations. Thank you. Please follow my channel Long Product Rolling Mill.